We are here with Chef Susan. Hi, Susan. Hi. We are going to cook today. And she's going to show us how to use our tools properly without cutting ourselves. And let's take a look at what she has. Come on. All right. So she has her kitchen. This is her kitchen. She has her stove and
I was washing my dishes.
yeah, and she's washing her cups and her plates and stuff in there. We're not going to do tea party right now. We're going to go ahead and these are all her fruits and vegetables. She's going to teach us to cut properly without cutting ourselves. Is that correct, Susan?
Look at
A big eggplant.
eggplant.
Okay.
Let's cut it.
Let's cut it. Okay, go ahead.
Where's the knife? I found one.
Oh, great job.
I love yellow's knife.
You do? Okay, yellow knife. That's correct. Wow.
I cut it.
There you go. All right. What are